Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we'll do comparison between the best tool for workflow management between N8N and CrewAI. So guys, let's get started. The first N8N guys, you can use AI workflow automation, and it is popular workflow automation platform. And you have this is the dashboard guys. As you can see here, you can full source code available, self-host available, up to 55,000 community member. You can build a multiple step again and chat with your own data, plug into your own product. You can use any model including self-hosted. This is the code. You can use code guys. When you code JavaScript on Python, you can import URL requests. This is the website guys. Over up to 400 integration up with Google and Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheet, all the platform. And you have all this option guys. You can start for free. You have the product, as you can see, different product integration and templates. For CrewAI guys, this is streamline workflow across industry with Power AI. Build and deploy automated workflow using LLM and cloud platform. You have this platform multi automation. You can build quickly with the studio. You can build automation coding from scratch. You can deploy. You can track all your crew. You can protections. You can designed multi-agent system. It is tool integration and real-world application. This is the tool guys you can use, and you can transform complex taxes. The seamless automation with CrewAI. You can start a demo and free trial. You have pricing, we have ecosystem and open source code, as you can see here guys. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.